Okay, in this video, I am going to cover a DM bot. DM bots are super cool because anytime you share a post with your audience and you want them to take action by sending you a message, you can do so and then have a bot, which is really an automation created inside a workflow in your high-level account, but it operates exactly the same as a chatbot. Things like ManyChat are very commonly used chatbot programs, softwares. And so this is really, really cool. And it keeps everything in-house where you can manage and maintain and keep everything organized inside your software for your business. So what you see here is I'm just inside the automation page, and then I went and created a new workflow. I kept it inside a bot folder just to keep things organized. And so you can see that I first and foremost want to make sure that the title up here is it's obvious to me what it is, so I can see that it's a DM bot and that trigger word is recipe. And there is another video that I did about a comment bot, which goes hand in hand with this. So if you haven't watched that, go watch that one first. All right, so what we're gonna do is first of all, set the trigger. The trigger here is customer replied. Okay, and then I put down here, it's not going to say masterclass, it's going to say recipe. So they DM'd me the word recipe, and then the reply channel, of course, is Instagram DMs, contains the phrase. Now, this is important, and I'm going to type the word recipe. Okay, these are the options: contains phrase, exact match. Now, if you do exact match, I just want to make sure you're really aware of this. If there is capitalization, sometimes when you go to send a DM, it will automatically on your phone capitalize that first letter of the word. So if I am putting exact match and I type this all out as lowercase, then it wouldn't give them the message I want them to. So that's why I wanted to just say contains phrase. That way, even if somebody they write more than the word recipe, maybe they say, give me the recipe, they'll still get what the message or what the thing I want them to get. Okay. So after that is set, I'm going to hit save trigger. I'm going to go up here and hit save. Okay. And now I'm going to ignore this for now. This is just telling me this read before publishing. It's just giving me a little note. You don't need to worry about that. Actually, we'll even go ahead and just, whoops, we're going to delete that. We don't need it. And again, that showed up because I had cloned a previous workflow. So I'm working off of that, but this is simple enough. You can do this whole thing in less than 5 minutes. All right, so adding a tag, again, really important for organization. You should know where your leads are coming from, what they're interested in, what they want from you. And so adding an IG lead is a good idea because then we know they're a lead that's coming from Instagram. We might even want to add something else to what was the word, what was the thing they were interested in. So I might say IGDM recipe. Maybe I'll put recipe in quotes because there's probably going to be more than one DM bot that you're going to have. And I'm going to hit save action. And then we're telling our high level, our automation, what we want to send this person once they send us this DM with that word. And so it's Instagram DM. And we're just going to say, we're going to type out that message. Hey, now if you leave this custom value right here, it's going to pull their name that they had set up with their Instagram account. Okay. Whether it's a business or a person, it's going to take that. And we're just writing, hey, thanks for requesting info. Let's do requesting info on the roadmap recipe. Let's just do that for example. You can add as much this as you want. You can add, put links if you want to link to, say, a landing page or something like that. You can make this, as much or as little as you want. But for now, I'm just going to hit save action and hit save again. And now I am going to publish, and I'm going to show you how this works. So now I'm going to share my screen. Make sure we're sharing the entire screen here. Okay, looks good. All right, I'm going to share the whole screen. Great. Okay, so here again is the post. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this page a message, and I'm going to put that word recipe. And it should work. We're going to give it a minute or two. Make sure we get it. Oh, right away. Boom. So it pulled my name from my personal account. Hey, Jennifer, thanks for requesting info on the roadmap recipe. So there you have it. That is how you create a simple and easy DM bot if you want to give a call to action where somebody sends you a DM. Most cases, you're going to want to focus on the comments section and having a call to action where they comment below. So that way they don't leave the post, they don't get distracted. If you haven't seen the video on creating a comment bot, you're going to want to check that one out as well. Hope this was helpful. If it was, please like, share, subscribe, do all the things, and I hope to see you soon.